Hi yogis, and welcome to the Yoga TX YouTube channel. It is so good to have you here. Today, I'm going to share a practice that is so good if you experience neck pain or neck tension or neck discomfort, or if you work at a desk on a computer all day long. I guarantee this is going to help you. For today's practice, you're going to need a tennis ball. Maybe you have your dog's ball. I mean, my dogs play with my tennis balls all the time. Maybe it is a lacrosse ball. Maybe it is a different type of ball. But for me, tennis ball is the best tool that I have found to help release that neck tension. So we're going to go through a little short practice to help us work through that tension. My name is Jill Enticknap, and I'm the lead trainer and founder of Yogi Institute, an online yoga school and studio, and I'm here on Yoga TX, and I'm so happy to be here. So before we get to the tennis ball, let's just do a little bit of gentle movement through the neck. Tuck your chin to your chest as you draw your shoulders back and lengthen your crown forward. Really create that length and space through the back of the neck. Take a couple deep breaths and see if you can really feel the upper back expand with your breath. Know that the breath is doing the internal work as you're changing the shape and moving the body externally. Taking a full deep breath in, feel that upper back expand. And full breath out, feel it release. And full breath in, feel it expand. And full breath out, feel it release. Slowly, gently roll right ear, right shoulder, left ear, left shoulder. Right ear, right shoulder, left ear, left shoulder. One more time, over to the right and over to the left. Come through center. Let's inhale, lift the nose toward the ceiling, open through the throat. And exhale, tuck the chin to the chest. Take two more breaths of movement. Inhale, lift the nose toward the ceiling. And exhale, tuck the chin toward the chest. One more. Inhale, open it up. And exhale, tuck it in. From here, let's gaze over the right shoulder and draw that left shoulder away. Come back through center, inhale. Exhale, gaze over the left shoulder and draw the right shoulder back. Come back through center. Inhale, sweep your arms up overhead. And exhale, cactus out your arms, draw the shoulder blades together. Inhale, extend, and exhale, cactus. Inhale, extend, and exhale, cactus. Stay in this cactus position and let's bring the fingers forward, send the spine back, hug the barrel. Inhale, come back to that cactus. Two more. Exhale, hug the barrel. Inhale, cactus it out. Last one, exhale, hug the barrel. Inhale, cactus it out. Exhale, flip the palms backwards, scarecrow. Inhale, palms come back up, cactus. Exhale, scarecrow. Inhale, cactus. One more. Exhale, scarecrow. And inhale, cactus. Let's bring those hands down. Do some rolls with the shoulders. So we're really opening up the neck before we introduce the tennis ball and the neck to each other. Come through center. Let's find our tennis ball. So I like to start on the right side and just kind of roll that tennis ball around. And what you're really using this for is to discover, using curiosity. You're looking to discover tension that maybe you didn't even know was there. So you're just doing kind of a circular motion. And let's roll that tennis ball down. You can see that I started using the opposite hand and get into the space where the neck and the shoulder meet. So this is where our traps are. And we tend to hold a lot of tension in the traps. So just do a circular motion here and get into those traps. So good. Then you can switch back to that opposite hand and start to roll the tennis ball up to where the skull and the neck meet. And just kind of press that tennis ball up into that area. I can almost always find some hidden tension in there. Just kind of rolling that tennis ball around. You decide how much pressure there is. And then let's start to roll down the side of the neck. And then let's come down the front. Take a couple rolls down the front. So this is where our lymph nodes are. So if you think about when you get sick, your lymphs get nice and swollen because the body is fighting infection. And lymph, it can't move on its own. It doesn't have a pump. So this is really helpful to move that lymph through the body. Lymph. Let's come up to the jawline and work our way down along the chin and then back up into the ear. Find that space. So if you experience TMJ or tension in your jaw muscle, this can be very helpful for that. Just rolling that around, coming down the jawline and back up. Now, let's switch to the other side, but before we do, just take a little bit of organic movement and notice how that side feels. Maybe you've created some space, maybe you've created some relief. And then we'll switch to the other side. So maybe you use same hand, same side, opposite hand, opposite side. It's okay if you feel a little awkward. I feel awkward sometimes too, but you're just looking to use that ball and just kind of roll it around. Find how you can access that. Shifting toward the back, and we're not wanting to go along the spine, but on either side of the spine. And let's shift into the space where the neck and the shoulder meet, those traps. I can almost always find some really nice knots here. Just kind of roll that tennis ball into that area. Ooh, it hurts so good. And start to shift back up into the space where the skull and the neck meet, rolling that around. Oh yeah, there's some knots there too. Lucky you if you don't feel that, right? Feel good about that. And let's shift down to the front side. Now you can do this for a longer period of time. You could do this for 10 minutes on your own. Once you know and feel confident and comfortable with how to do this in your body, you could have a tennis ball sitting at your desk and you could do this on your own at your desk. Let's shift into that ear area and along the jawline. Really good for that jaw muscle. Just kind of rolling it around. And let's take it down. I bet you could do that for another 10 minutes, right? Well, feel free, but at least you know and can feel into what that's meant to feel like. Take a moment and just kind of shift the neck. Notice, have you created some space? Have you created some relief in that area? Let's once again take some shoulder rolls, some rolls of the shoulders. Drop a right ear, right shoulder, walk the left fingertips away. Just feel into that left side. Come back through center. Left ear, left shoulder, walk the right fingertips away. Take a deep breath in and a full breath out. Come back through center. Let's do a little bit of work with our wrists, clasping the hands together and rolling out the wrists. Chances are, everything is connected. So if you have tension in your neck, there might be some tension in your wrists too, especially if you're sitting on your computer all day long. Let's take those palms and press them forward. Press forward, and then inhale, lift the arms up, and exhale, slightly bend to the right. And inhale through center, and exhale, bend to the left. Come back through center. Let's bring those palms through heart center, tuck the chin to the chest, closing down the eyes. Reconnect to your breath. Take a moment to just be grateful for the neck, even the pain in the neck. Sensation is the body's form of expression. So when the body expresses sensation, whether it be pain or tension or lack of range of motion, that is the body's form of expression. And just as we as humans feel better when we can express ourselves freely, so does the body. So if the body's asking for your attention through expression, I encourage you to honor that. Know that you can come back to this practice as often as you would like, and that it is always here for you on the Yoga TX channel. Thank you for sharing in this practice. I hope that you found it useful. If there is something, a particular part of the body that you would like us to focus on and create a video just for you here at Yoga TX, we would love to do that for you. We would love to hear from you. And if you found this practice useful, please leave a comment. We would love to know that too, because we can make more just like this. The tennis ball can be friends with more parts of the body. The light, the love, the wisdom in me sees, honors, reflects, and encourages the light, the love, the wisdom in you. Again, my name is Jill Enticknap, the lead trainer and founder of Yogi Institute, an online yoga school and studio. And I'm here at Yoga TX. We appreciate you. Can't wait to see you again soon. And until then, may your light be your guide.